Greetings to all car enthusiasts and potential buyers out there. Welcome to House Lux Estate, your reliable source of property and automobile insights. Here at House Lux, we're dedicated to equipping you with the knowledge to navigate your journey, whether it's buying a house or a car. Our goal is to guide you in making wise, informed decisions that suit your lifestyle and budget. Today, we are delving into a topic that is both exciting and vital: 10 things you need to know before buying a secondhand car. The first thing to consider when buying a secondhand car is the vehicle history. This isn't just a peek into the car's past, it's a roadmap to understanding its future. A car's history tells a story, a narrative of accidents, repairs, and maintenance. It's like a biography of the car's life on the road. Checking a vehicle's history can reveal if it's been in serious accidents, which could affect its structural integrity. It can also expose undisclosed repairs, from minor fixes to major overhauls. Regular maintenance records are also a good sign, showing the vehicle has been well taken care of. So, how do you get this story? You can obtain a vehicle history report from various online services. This report will give you a comprehensive look at the car's past, providing you with the knowledge to make an informed decision. Remember, a car's past can greatly influence its future performance and your safety. Secondly, you should know the fair market value of the car you're considering. The fair market value is the price that a buyer and seller would agree upon, assuming both are knowledgeable and not under any pressure. Various factors determine this value. The car's age and mileage, for instance, play a huge role. A newer car with fewer miles will typically have a higher value. The condition of the car is also crucial. A car that's been well maintained and is in excellent working order will be worth more than one that needs lots of repairs. And let's not forget demand. If the car you're looking at is a popular model, its value could be higher. There are many tools and websites available to check a car's value. Sites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds can provide a good starting point. Knowing the car's fair market value can help you negotiate a better deal. It's all about being informed and prepared. Thirdly, never underestimate the importance of a mechanic's inspection. You see, a mechanic's inspection is not just a formality, it's your safety net. It's like having a seasoned detective who can uncover hidden issues with the car that may not be visible to the untrained eye. A professional mechanic can check the engine, brakes, transmission, and other vital parts of the car to ensure they're in good working condition. They can sniff out problems like leaks, rust, and wear and tear that could potentially turn into significant issues down the line. Remember, some problems may not be apparent during a quick test drive or cursory inspection, but they can cause headaches and hefty repair bills later on. So, think of a mechanic's inspection as an investment. It might cost you a bit up front, but it could save you from buying a lemon. Spending a bit on a mechanic's inspection could save you from a costly mistake. Fourth on our list is the necessity of a test drive. Now, this might seem obvious, but it's not just about getting behind the wheel and seeing if the car moves. A test drive is your golden opportunity to scrutinize the car under real-world conditions. Pay attention to how the car responds. Is it comfortable? Does it handle well? Are the brakes responsive? Does the steering feel tight? Listen for any unusual noises. A rattle, a hum, a squeak. These could be telltale signs of underlying issues that might lead to costly repairs down the line. Don't just drive it around the block. Test it on different terrains, at various speeds, and in assorted driving conditions. How does it perform on a hill, in stop-and-go traffic, on a freeway? Remember, you're not just buying a car, you're investing in your everyday comfort and safety. A test drive can give you a first-hand experience of how the car performs on the road. Scene script. Fifth, always check the car's exterior and interior. When surveying the exterior, look for signs of rust, which can be a red flag for future problems. Dents or scratches should also be noted, but remember, cosmetic issues can usually be fixed, unlike structural damage. While you're at it, make sure the tires are in good condition and all lights are functioning properly. Moving on to the interior, a musty smell could be a sign of water damage. Check the seats and carpet for excessive wear and tear or stains. Pay close attention to the dashboard. Warning lights staying on could indicate serious underlying issues. Don't forget to test out the air conditioning and heating systems. Try out the radio and other electronics too. All these elements can give you a sense of how well the car has been cared for. In the end, an in-depth check can reveal a lot about the car's condition and how well it has been maintained. Sixth, consider the car's fuel efficiency. Now, fuel efficiency isn't just a buzzword chucked around by environmentally conscious folks. It's a real factor that can significantly impact your wallet. If you're planning to use the car regularly, you'll want to pay close attention to this. Fuel efficiency is, in simple terms, the distance a car can travel per unit of fuel. It's like getting the most bang for your buck, but with petrol. The higher the mileage, the less fuel your car needs to cover a certain distance. This means fewer trips to the gas station and more money in your pocket. But how do you check a car's fuel efficiency? Well, the easiest way is to look at the car's miles per gallon or MPG rating. This information is usually available online or in the car's manual. Remember, a car with a high MPG rating is more fuel efficient. A fuel-efficient car can save you a lot of money in the long run. So don't overlook this when you're hunting for your next ride. 7th, ensure the car's documentation is in order. This is an essential step, folks, and it's one you should never overlook. Paperwork can seem tedious, but in the world of secondhand cars, it's your best friend. Let's talk about the essentials. The car's title, firstly, is a must-have. This document asserts ownership, and without it, you're walking into murky waters. Next up, the registration. This shows that the car is legally registered to operate on the roads. And let's not forget the maintenance records. These handy documents give you a glimpse into the car's past, showing you its service history and any repairs that have been made. Missing or incomplete documents. That's a red flag, my friends. It could spell potential legal and financial issues down the line. So remember, before you seal the deal, ensure the car's documentation is in order. Proper documentation is vital to avoid potential legal and financial issues. 8th, evaluate the cost of insurance. Now here's something that often slips through the cracks. The cost of insuring your potential new ride. The make, model, and age of a car can significantly impact the insurance costs. For example, insurance for a vintage Mustang might cost more than a brand new Prius. Why? Well, older cars may lack modern safety features, and some models are more prone to theft or expensive repairs. So how do you navigate this? Simple. Before signing on the dotted line, get a few insurance quotes. Many insurance companies offer online tools that allow you to estimate the cost of insuring specific car models. Remember, each company has different rates, so it's worth shopping around. Don't forget, insurance isn't just a legal requirement. It's your financial safety net in case of accidents or theft. Knowing the insurance cost can help you budget for the total cost of owning the car. 9th, consider the car's depreciation. It's a commonly known fact that cars depreciate over time. In essence, depreciation is the rate at which a car loses its value. This is an important factor to consider as it directly impacts the resale value of your car down the line. Every car has its own unique depreciation rate. It's influenced by factors such as the car's make and model, its age, overall condition, and market demand. A car that is in high demand and has a reputation for quality and reliability will generally hold its value better than one that doesn't. So how can you check a car's depreciation rate? Well, there are several online resources and tools that can help you with this. By inputting some basic information about the car, you can get an estimate of its depreciation rate and how much it might be worth in the future. Understanding depreciation can help you choose a car that holds its value well. Remember, a smart buyer is an informed buyer. Finally, 10th, check for any recalls on the car model. Now, you might be wondering, what are car recalls? Well, they're actions taken by car manufacturers to address safety-related defects or non-compliance with standards set by the automotive industry. These recalls can range from minor issues like a misplaced sticker to major safety risks like faulty brakes or airbags. So how do you check for recalls? It's quite simple. You can visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's website and enter the car's vehicle identification number, or VIN. If the car has any outstanding recalls that haven't been addressed, they'll show up there. Now, why is this important? Well, buying a car with unresolved recalls can pose serious safety risks. Plus, it can be a hassle to get these issues fixed later on. So, checking for recalls can ensure you're not buying a car with known safety issues. And there you have it, the 10 things you need to know before buying a secondhand car. From understanding the vehicle's history to evaluating the cost of insurance, these important points are your roadmap to a successful purchase. Remember, being well-informed is your best defense against buyer's remorse. Thank you for tuning in to House Lux Estate. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. Happy car shopping!